Sort of. No, give it a little bit more.
Oh, but it's definitely leaning.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can get in there if you want.
One more.
Alright.
Oh, it's moving.
He's ready to swing.
I feel like it's actually kind of wanting to fall our way down,
Oh,
so we might want to be careful. Yeah, like maybe we should push it.
yeah. Maybe we need a bigger. Yeah, I think we want a bigger notch.
Maybe we just need to all push
What do you
hard.
think?
Look at everybody.
Okay, it says a recipe for disaster.
Here we go. Oh, no, that's not moving.
We got a samoa here. Get in.
Oh yeah, just laid it up.
That's all.
Yeah, it's like gotten crushed down.
Shouldn't let it fall over here.
I wonder
I think you should start from the back.
yeah, start from the back and kind of release it further.
Like all the way there. It's leaning the right way, right?
Yeah. Because if you might want to stand on the other side, because its tendency is to fall this way.
Right here.
Now switch your shot towards me.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
stand.
Now walk. Yeah. Can you go
I just
like
broke
over
that
to
in.
your right?
Like no,
Right,
other way.
other way. Yeah, right there.
There we go.
Right here. Yeah. Ready. Whoa. That's good. It's like practice with this up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's gonna be a pain.
yeah.
All right.